In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your ebook on Payhip. Whether you're an aspiring author or a seasoned writer, Payhip offers a straightforward platform to start selling your digital books in no time. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure your ebook reaches your audience seamlessly. First, you'll need to log in to Payhip. Start by visiting payhip.com and signing into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a few moments to sign up. It's free and quick. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for everything related to your digital products. From here, you'll want to click on the Add New Product button, which sets the wheels in motion for listing your ebook for sale. Next, it's time to select the type of product you wish to add. For our purposes, choose Add Digital Product. This option is specifically tailored for ebooks and other digital files, ensuring your content is set up correctly. Now comes the exciting part: uploading your ebook. After selecting Add Digital Product, click on the Upload Product File option. You'll need to select your ebook file from your computer. Payhip accepts formats like PDF, ePub, and Mobi. Conveniently, Payhip supports file sizes up to 5 GB, meaning virtually any standard ebook file can be accommodated. Once your file is uploaded, you'll move on to filling in the product details. Start with the title of your ebook. A captivating title not only draws in potential buyers, but also makes your book stand out in search results. After that, set your desired price. Consider factors such as market standards, your target audience, and the value of the content while pricing your ebook. Moving on, you're going to need a compelling description for your ebook. A good description highlights the benefits and distinctive features of your book and can greatly influence a buyer's decision. It's your chance to share what makes your ebook unique and why someone should buy it. Then, upload an eye-catching cover image. The cover is the first thing people notice, so make sure it's both professional-looking and visually appealing. A well-designed cover can convey the genre and tone of your book, helping attract your ideal reader. Finally, you'll need to set your product's visibility. You have a few options here. Make it visible for the general public to find on your Payhip store. Set it as unlisted if you plan to share it only through a direct link, or choose invisible if you're still working on it and want to save it as a draft. And that's it. By following these steps, you've prepared your ebook for sale on Payhip. Now you're ready to share your writing with the world. Whether your goal is to reach new readers or generate revenue from your hard work, Payhip offers the tools you need to succeed. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.